Hi, welcome to my world. This is a place where we find our brave, practice being calm, and remember exactly how smart we are. Whether you're tiny or a grown-up, there's always room for a little more magic. We're going to explore what it means to be strong, kind, and uniquely us every single day. We'll learn how to handle the big feelings and celebrate the happy ones, too. If you want to grow along with me, hit subscribe! We have so much to do!